What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are looking at this Orion Motor Tech. This is a coil spring compressor. We got this boy off of Amazon, so let's unbox it and see what's inside. All right, so here's what we got. We've got inside, got a little manual here. Okay. All right, so inside the box here, we can see this is nicely packaged. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these out here. All right, so you can see, very well constructed. What I do like about this are the safety hooks. It makes it very nice and easy to get this in place, to lock it in place. The rest is pretty straightforward. So we're gonna go ahead and give you a demo of how this works. But before we do that, so this is the first pair of spring compressors I bought many years ago. And one thing that I did not like about it is, in order to set it, it takes a little bit of time to get it set into place on the spring. And so those safety hooks makes it really nice to get your spring compressor in place. So if we look here at this spring as a demo here, the way that you would set this in place is you would have to, make sure you're spread all the way apart and then kind of rest it where it needs to be rested on the spring. See, this is part of the challenge of working with these. This thing doesn't want to move now. So the way you'd set this in place, you'd put it on the spring, and then you'd get this in place, and then you'd start screwing this. But what would happen is this might fall out of place, and also the way that it's designed, it doesn't always hook on properly. So that's one thing I disliked about these. But with the new one, we won't be using these anymore. So what's nice with these is once you figure out which direction you want to start, how wide you want to spread them, you just go right ahead, lock those in place, and then the rest you're just tightening it up. You can use your impact drill, and you can see how nice that sets on that spring. Makes it so easy to work with. You would attach the other one to the other side, and you would go ahead and compress, and then do your setup, whatever you're doing, getting ready to put those on some new struts. But overall, I really like this design. As mentioned, these little safety guys right here make a world of a difference in this application. So there you have it. This is the Orion Motor Tech spring compressor. Again, very pleased with the product. I'm gonna go ahead and get these right to use right away. We've got some springs here that we need to get compressed and set up on some struts. So that will be in another video. But yeah, I am liking this so far. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. They do have multiple different sizes based off of whatever length you need. So I'll go ahead and drop these in the description. But that's it for this video. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.